The PNP's comprehensive security and crowd management plan of action goes into effect tomorrow with 18,000 cops deployed in and about the procession route and elsewhere to provide security and protection against thieves, pickpockets, scammers, and even devotees behaving badly. For good measure, a ban on liquor and firearms, which simultaneously went into effect earlier, will strictly be enforced. As our Rod Lagusad adds more details in this story.
The Philippine National Police or PNP will implement a comprehensive security and crowd management plan for the Traslasyon 2026. Among those that will be closely monitored by the PNP are criminals who may take advantage of the activity, particularly those who may attempt to sell and use illegal drugs.
Meron tayong mga kababayan na talagang mag-iinom bago mag-inom. Of course, kailangan nila ng pampagising. Kaya yung possibility na merong gagamit at gagamit. So, kami po, yung proactive measures na ginagawa natin, involved din po yan. Not only yung sa firearms, of course, yung kung anong violation.
According to MPD spokesperson Police Major Philip Ines, a liquor ban is now in effect in the city of Manila. This was implemented early this morning and will last until January 10. In addition, a gun ban is also effect in the area. This took effect at 12:01 a.m. earlier today and will last until 12:01 a.m. on January 11. The PNP will also implement maximum tolerance against unruly devotees, particularly those who will attempt to climb the carroza of the image of the Jesus Nazareno.
Pinakamataas na antas po ng pagtitimpi, katulad po ng binanggit ko, ang totoong deboto sumusunod po sa mga tagubilin po ng simbahan at ng otoridad.
At least 18,000 police personnel will be deployed to ensure the security of the procession. This includes operatives in civilian attire and intelligence units to prevent incidents of pickpocketing, theft, scams, and other forms of exploitation and criminality during the pahalik. In addition, police assistance desks and dedicated personnel have also been deployed to help senior citizens, persons with disabilities, women, and children.
Tagal pong preparasyon ito at taon-taon po ginagawa natin ito. At patuloy po tayo nakikiusap sa kanila na ito po yung panahon ng sabi nga natin pagdinilay-nilay. Ito po yung panahon na sabi nga natin, tingnan po natin na yung ating pagkilala po, ating lumika. Ipakita po natin na tayo po talaga ay deboto.
As of now, the NCRPO is on full alert status. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.